everyone. Welcome back to our podcast where we learn English with AI. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic, basic English conversations for booking and checking into a hotel. This is perfect for beginners. We'll start with how to book a room, then move on to the check-in process, and finally, we'll cover some extra questions to make your travel smoother. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Laughs, I always feel a bit nervous about these conversations when I travel, especially when talking to the receptionist. Can you give me an example? Like, how do I start booking a room?
Absolutely! You can start by saying, "Hello, I'd like to book a room, please." It's straightforward and clearly states your need. The receptionist will likely ask, "For which date?" You can respond with, "From December 10th to December 12th. This way, you clearly communicate your check-in and check-out dates.
That sounds really simple. But what if I'm not sure about the dates? Like I might want to say, I want to check in sometime around Christmas. What do I do in that situation?
Great question. If you're unsure about the exact dates, you can say, "I'm not sure about the exact dates, but I'd like to stay around Christmas." This way, the receptionist can help you find available rooms during that time. It's like when you're choosing a restaurant. You might say, "I want Italian food, but I'm not sure which day." This gives them a chance to offer you more options.
Oh wow, that analogy is so interesting. Sigh. It reminds me of that time my friends and I went out to eat, and we ended up waiting for half an hour because we couldn't decide what to order. Laughs. So when I tell the receptionist how many people are checking in, what should I say?
You can say, 2 adults and 1 child. This helps the receptionist understand what type of room you need. Then, they'll ask what kind of room you'd like, such as, would you like a single room, double room, or family room? You can choose based on your needs.
So I could go for a family room. But what if I want a room with a sea view? Should I mention that when I'm booking?
Yes, that's a great idea. You can say, "Can I have a room with a sea view?" This way, the receptionist can check if such a room is available. It's similar to when you're planning a trip. You might say, "I want to see a dolphin show." This helps them arrange everything for you.
Wow, that way I can make sure I'm staying at a beautiful place. So, when I arrive at the hotel, how should I greet the receptionist?
When you arrive, you can say, "Hello, I have a reservation under the name John Smith." This helps the receptionist find your booking information. They will likely ask for your ID, which is completely normal.
I get it. But what if I forget my ID? Wouldn't that be super awkward?
It can be a bit awkward, but you can explain, "I'm sorry, I forgot my ID. Is there any other way to verify my reservation?" Sometimes, the receptionist might ask for other information, like your phone number or email address to confirm your booking.
Oh wow, that way I won't completely panic. Sigh. So after checking in, can I ask the receptionist some extra questions? Like, does the room have Wi-Fi?
Of course. You can ask, "Is there Wi-Fi in the room?" The receptionist will provide you with the Wi-Fi password, which is usually on the card holder. It's just like when you're at a coffee shop and you ask, "Do you have Wi-Fi?" so you can get online.
That way I can stay connected at all times. So what should I do when it's time to check out? Do I need to tell the receptionist in advance?
When checking out, you can simply say, "Hi, I'd like to check out." The receptionist will ask you to return the room key. Usually, you don't need to inform them in advance, but if you need a late checkout, it's good to ask ahead of time.
Wow, that makes the whole process sound so easy. Thank you. These conversations are really helpful. I now have a clearer understanding of English dialogues for traveling.
You're welcome. Remember to practice a lot, and you'll be using these dialogues confidently during your travels. That wraps up today's episode. Thank you all for listening. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and listen a few more times. See you next time.